Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your SEO reports to PDF in Google Looker step by step clearly. Open Google Looker and sign in to your account. Navigate to the SEO report you wish to back up. Ensure the report is fully loaded and ready for export. Locate the More Options menu, often represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on the More Options to reveal additional choices. From the drop-down menu, select the Download option. You will then see various formats available for download. Choose the PDF option from the available formats. Determine your preferred PDF settings, such as orientation and page size. Once you have set your preferences, click the Download button. Your browser will start processing the PDF export. Wait for the file to finish downloading to your device. Check your Downloads folder for the newly created PDF report. Open the PDF file to ensure it has been generated correctly. You should now have a backup of your SEO report in PDF format. Consider organizing your backups in a dedicated folder for easy access. Regularly repeat this process to maintain updated backups of your reports. You are now ready to use your backed up SEO reports as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.